Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I just wanted to share with you, I went to the market today and I got some provisions, right, ground provisions. So I thought I would share that with you today. So in front of me here, let's get straight into it. So in front of me here, I have some sweet potato. I have some tanya, really lovely pieces of tanya here. Well, all of these ground provisions were imported by either Santo Domingo or what's the other place, boy? Dominica, sorry, Dominica, right? Dominica and Santo Domingo. Those are the main islands that they import stuff like this from, right? So this is Tanya, like I said, Tanya. This is a piece of dashi, and I love dashi, and I also love cassava. This is a piece of cassava here, right? And in the corner here, I have some pumpkin, nice piece of pumpkin, fresh pumpkin. And here I have some, this looks like a bit like what we call in Trinidad pimentos, but I wouldn't be bold and say pimentos. I would just say seasoned peppers, but they look very similar to what we get in Trinidad, the pimentos. So yeah, here I have some green banana, also known as green fig in Trinidad and Tobago. I have a lovely piece of yam here and some tomatoes, ripe plantain. That's it for today. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make a nice split pea soup with some corn and stuff, and I'm going to put some of these ground provisions in it and also add the seasoning peppers to give it some extra color. Yeah, baby.